Welcome to Vitality Verse, your journey to a healthier, happier you. At Vitality Verse, we're all about helping you achieve holistic well-being. That means mind, body, and soul. Here's what you can expect from our channel: fitness, nutrition, and mindfulness. Ever wondered how to truly balance fitness, nutrition, and mindfulness in your daily life? It's an intriguing conundrum, isn't it? You see, wellness is not just about physical health or the food we consume. It is also about our mental well-being and how we nourish our souls. It's a delicate dance, a harmonious blend of elements that, when balanced, lead to a healthier, happier lifestyle. Well, you're in the right place to find out. When we talk about fitness, it's not just about lifting weights or running a marathon. Fitness is a lifestyle, a commitment to treating our bodies with respect and care. It's about recognizing that our bodies are our most precious asset and investing in our health today to reap benefits in the future. There's a whole world of exercises out there, each with its unique benefits, whether it's yoga for flexibility, cardio for heart health, or strength training for building muscle. Each activity plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. But remember, it's not a race or a competition. Your fitness journey is unique to you. It's about finding what you enjoy, what makes you feel good, and what suits your body and lifestyle. It's about progress, not perfection. So, let's explore the world of fitness together, learning, growing, and becoming the best versions of ourselves that we can be. Remember, every step counts on the road to fitness. We've all heard it, you are what you eat. But what does that really mean? In essence, the food we consume is the fuel that powers our bodies. It's like the petrol for your car. The better the quality, the smoother the ride. But it's not just about avoiding junk food. Nutrition is about balance. A rainbow plate with a variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and grains is the key to a healthy body. Now, let's talk about some simple, nutritious recipes. How about a vibrant salad with leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, and grilled chicken? Or a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey? These meals are not only delicious, but packed with essential nutrients. Remember, nutrition isn't about restrictive diets or depriving yourself. It's about nourishing your body with wholesome, delicious food. Eating right is a form of self-respect. Ever felt like you're always on the go, never really present in the moment? It's a common sentiment in our fast-paced world. But there's a solution, and it's called mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing our attention to the present moment, without judgment or distraction. It's about fully experiencing the now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. When we practice mindfulness, we cultivate a state of calm, focused awareness. This can have a profound impact on our mental health, reducing stress and anxiety, enhancing focus, and improving mood. But mindfulness isn't just about sitting cross-legged and meditating. You can practice mindfulness in everyday activities like eating, walking, or even washing dishes. It's about being fully engaged in the task at hand, paying attention to each sensation and experience. So how about we take a pause from our busy lives? Let's breathe. Let's be present. Cultivate mindfulness. Harvest tranquility. Feeling pumped to start your wellness journey? It's time to take that first step. Subscribe to Vitality Verse to ensure you don't miss out on any wellness adventures. And don't forget to follow us on social media for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes peeks. The road ahead is exciting, filled with invigorating workouts, nourishing recipes, and calming mindfulness sessions. So, are you ready to commit to your well-being? Join us in this journey to a healthier, happier you. Subscribe and stay tuned.